or more Colclough Braganza, but quite a rare combination this of this large breakfast cup and saucer. Much more often will you see the standard teacups in this design. Braganza was made predominantly during the Doulton period of Colclough ownership, but some has Ridgeway period marks. And this is definitely a throwback to the old Ridgeway shape. Just look at that wasted D cup design, but very broad, and again plain rimmed, white glaze interior. Good gilt on this, but there is some wear on it. We don't want to suggest this is anywhere near mint condition. This is used vintage, but it's being listed because it is such a rare shape to find these large breakfast cups in a decent condition. They were used very much and quite heavily during their lifetime and haven't been made since probably early 1980s, I suspect, on this, maybe even earlier than that, actually. What am I saying? 1966, actually, when this was last being done. You can see the Colclough Doulton period marks on there, suggesting this was just a transitional piece. Pattern number there, just badly transfer printed in partial code on the base. And the saucer is the same as you get with a teacup saucer, so quite an unusual combination. Scalloped rim. There is some wear on the gilt around this rim, as you can see. A little bit of mothing just here where the gilt's wearing away gradually during its life. A few little bit more wears around here, as you can see, and on the glaze it's quite heavily worn with the cup coming in and out over the saucer depression in the centre of the teacup, but the pattern is still well printed on, again with a Doulton period mark on this one. So, large breakfast cup, holds a good decent more. It's only a couple of points up on an inch scale bigger than the teacup, but just with being that extra width increases the overall volume of this piece substantially. Good handle on it, very nice for your morning coffee or a large cup of tea as opposed to the smaller teacup versions. Colclough Braganza, probably mid-1960s, in a very unusual shape and with good retention of the pattern decoration, although the gilt does show a modicum of wear as we've demonstrated. Click the link below in the description. I'll take you through to the website listing for this breakfast cup and saucer set. Thanks for watching.